Hello and welcome to Tractiv. So we will be walking through the file management system today. As you can see, we are on the dashboard right now. So we are going to click the file section here on the left-hand side. We are redirected to the file page, which showcases that there are no files within the system. We will go ahead and upload a file. We are going to upload the Tractiv logo. What is happening behind the scenes now is it's uploading to our cloud environment, which is hosted on AWS. And we have this file that's uploaded in our system. It's stored there. We delete the file, and that's about it right now. So what do we do with a file that's in our system? Well, the big thing we really will want to do is we'll want to be able to distribute it to either an individual or multiple people. So in order to do that, we will go over to projects. And what projects does is it's kind of like a folder. We will be able to create a project. Let's do project 1, and we will assign the file that we just uploaded in here. So now what we have is we have Tractiv logo, which is sitting inside of project 1. It's still just hosted in our environment with no distribution channel, but it is a better system to be able to allow multiple files in the specific project to be able to deliver to one individual or multiples. So how we deliver these things to an individual, we'll start off with is we will add a permission. So we click the permission tab and we're going to click add a permission. And here we have 2 users. I'm logged in as the admin user, but we will go ahead and add Jake as a user that has access to the system or to this specific project in the system. We will give Jake export access. So these are the few features within user permissions that we can add. We do allow export, which is essentially giving a user the ability to download and pull out of the system one of the files or many of the files associated with that project. We have upload, so a user can actually upload to this project from our desktop application. And then we also have stream only, which stream only is essentially a read-only option where a user can open up through the desktop application. They can view the files through there. We are able to track the view event, but they cannot pull it out of the system. We can also add a start date and an end date. So we can start it in the future. So if we do not want the user to have access till the 20th, we could go down that path. But for the sake of this demo, we are going to give them access for today. We will give them week-long access, and we're going to stick with the export option so they can download it and pull it out of the system. So once this user actually has access to the system, what will happen is they will be able to use the desktop application. During the screen recording video, we do not see the Tractiv desktop application, what is sitting actually in the top left-hand side, but we do see this file system. So what I'm going to do on my end is I'm opening the file and I'm exporting it from the Tractiv desktop application. What's going to happen is it's going to download through the system, and there we go. It is actually downloaded to my machine in this builds directory. I can open it here, and we do have the file viewed here. The reason why the Tractiv desktop does not show in a file screen recording is because we have some specific permissions on it that we did not want to allow any users to be able to screen record or screen capture any of the data within the system. So that is a feature of the system that inhibits a user from being able to screen capture or screen record any proprietary or any type of data that we do not want to share. So this is how the system will work, and I will show you another avenue to showcase how you can actually deliver data to a group of people as opposed to individual. So we're going to delete this permission here, and now we're going to go over to groups. So groups is the only other section that I haven't covered, and this allows me to create a group. Let's do group 1. We're going to add a few different members to this group. So what we can do is we can add the admin user and the Jake, and now we actually have a group in here. So within this section, now we can go back to the projects, and we can add a permission of a group to the project. So now multiple users can actually have access with the same functionality: read-only, upload, stream, as well as start and end dates. So that's how the system works with the permissioning. We can go back over here. We can see that permissions have been shared, files have been exported, and all those events have been tracked. Thank you.